So today we're going to talk about finding an angle using trig. This is a refresher on your ratios. So is sine of whatever angle, opposite of our hypotenuse. Ka is cosine theta, adjacent of our hypotenuse. And toa is tan of theta, opposite of our adjacent, OA. So our first example, we have a right triangle. This is the right angle. We have across from that is 43. So this is our hypotenuse. This is the angle we're trying to find. So 31 is next to it. That's A. So we have A and H. We're going to use ka. Cosine, we do not know the angle, so we're going to put in theta. The adjacent is 31. The hypotenuse is 43. There's no sense putting a 1 here because we cannot cross multiply. We're going to use the second key on our calculator. Press a second, press cosine. This will automatically show up, 31 divided by 43. Once you press second and then cosine, you will see cosine of -1. The parentheses there, then you type in 31 divided by 43, and you get 43.86. Now if I said go to the tens place, your answer would be 43.9. If I said go to a whole number, your answer would be 44 degrees. Our next example, we are looking for this angle. Across from that angle is 19, which is the opposite. This is your right angle symbol. Therefore, 22 is your hypotenuse. So we know O and H. We're going to use sine. We say sine of theta. The opposite is 19. The hypotenuse is 20. Again, you press second, press the sine key. Sine of -1 shows up. You type in 19 divided by 22. And you should get 59.7 for the tens place, or 60 degrees for a whole number. The last example, we are looking for this angle. So across from it is the opposite leg, and 50 is next to it, which is the adjacent. We know O and A. We use toa. So second, tan, that will bring tan of -1. The parenthesis appears, the opposite over the adjacent. And you should get 57.99. Whole number would be 58 degrees.